Good afternoon, people, and in this video we're going to be installing a solar panel on top of Project Raven. Excuse me. So the tools that you will require to do said job: drill, hole saw. That hole saw is a 20mm, so that I can use a standard UK rubber grommet for a back box of household electrics. Male and female plugs, crimp tool, and silicon sealant removal tool. Also some isopropyl alcohol and some wipes. And here we have the solar panel. We've got the entry gland and 4 corners for that. It does come in a kit of 6, which the other 2 bits are there. So today, what we're going to be doing today is drilling a hole in the roof so we can get this installed. The cable through and sticking out through there, with the ends terminated into the couplings, and then we're going to get these stuck down with the solar panel sat on top so they're in the right spot while the silicon's going off. Right, so we've got it placed up on there. We'll just put a little pencil mark around where these are. Obviously I'm going to clean it with the alcohol, but I don't want to be wiping off my marks, so I must be very careful about that. But I think that's where it's going to go. You can just see the gland underneath there. That's where that's going to go. So let's drill another hole in the van. It's going to be like Swiss cheese. Just in case you're wondering what I'm going to stick the stuff down with, it's this Sikaflex 522. I've had it in the house, keeping nice and warm. You'll notice I've just put a jacket on because it's getting a little bit chilly. So right, let's get that solar panel back off there, drill a hole, put the cables through, terminate them, and then we can stick them things down. Oh, there we go. That's the old drill. Let's clean it up. We don't want any yogis on it. That's that bit. Now I need to prime it. I've only got black primer, so that's just going to have to do. Not that you're going to see it anyway. Just let that dry a little. So like I said, this is a standard UK metal back box electrical rubber grommet. And you need a 20mm diameter hole. Right, that's all I can do with that bit. So now let's get these other bits stuck down. These a quick wipe with the old alcohol. Let's get this solar panel finished off now that I've stuck these down. So it is the next day. Right, so let's get this solar panel finished off now that I've got the supports down. Right, now if you are doing this, the smaller terminal, there is a difference between the two, because obviously one goes into the other. That one goes in that end. So let's get this crimped up. Don't trap your finger in the end of it. And we'll just go down. The next one down. Make sure it's properly crimped. Lovely. And we just slide that in there till it clicks in. There we go, that's one done. I mean, it does help having the right tools, which unfortunate I do. Nice click. Got to love a nice click into a socket. You know it's fully home then. That's then tightened up. Let's get this solar panel on. Which means I'm going to have to move you. Right, let's get this thing plugged in and screwed up. And yes, I know it's going to start producing what I've just taped. The other end up. I just stabbed myself in the finger with a knife as well. Right, let's get it screwed in. Let's just put this on it for now. And that's going to serve two purposes. One, so I can put my tools on. And two, it's going to stop it producing. The old electricity. So just to make it a little bit neater, I have these little screw caps. Why has that just moved it? Well people, there we have it. One solar panel installed. Not too bad for my first attempt at fitting a solar panel. So because the inside wiring isn't done yet, I've just terminated and taped up the ends. We're not ready for wiring them up yet. That's going to be in the set and fix electrical. We'll see you on the next one.